Like I said in my last video, I was going to film a full face of first impressions using all of the makeup I got from BeautyCon. So, we're gonna do that today. Oh no! Booty blender fell. This is, oh my god, what is that? What was I saying? Right. So this, oh my god, this is my second time filming this video. I filmed it 2 days ago, I'm pretty sure, and it didn't really go well, so that's why I stopped filming that. We're gonna try today, and hopefully I don't have to film it again another day. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I post. And also, if you haven't seen my BeautyCon haul, make sure to click up there to check that video out because the products I'm using today are from that haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get right into the full face of first impressions. First, we're going to start off with some lotion because you should always moisturize your face before you do your makeup. This is the La Roche-Posay Lotion Daily Repair Moisturizing Lotion. Oh, I'm going to put my hair up. It's not coming out. Oh, there you go. I'm going to put it on my cheeks, my forehead, and then my chin. The lotion is very thick and my face feels very moisturized, so we're off to a great start. Now I'm going to spray my face with the Skin Fix Coconut Water Hydrating Mist. You can spray this on your face any time of the day and it just hydrates your skin. You can also use it to prime and set your makeup, so I'm going to be using this throughout the video. So, oh my god, I got it on my eye. I did 4 mists and I feel great. Other than it getting in my eye, but I'm okay. Now we're going to prime with the Dermablend Professional Instagrip Jelly Primer. This is a 3-in-1 multitasking primer. The formula is very grippy, but then the texture is very jelly. It makes your makeup last all day, so I really like this product. In my BeautyCon haul, I said I've always wanted to illuminate my face before foundation, and I tried that the first time I was filming this video, and this is how it went. It feels so weird on my skin. Oh gosh. We are looking interesting. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm just gonna try this another night. I think I used too much maybe. We're gonna try it again and hopefully it doesn't turn out like this. I think I'm just gonna do like that much. This is good. I also think I did too much foundation as well, so I think that's why I just looked horrible. That's when and why I stopped the video. I was like, I have to film another day. Oh my god, did I even say the product? I don't think I did, but this is the NYX Away We Glow Liquid Booster Illuminator. Moving to foundation, I'm using Makeup Revolution's foundation stick in the color F5. I kind of like smudged the stick kind of, and it's out of shape, but we're gonna use it anyways. Okay, so it worked this time. Don't use as much foundation or illuminator, and it actually comes out as a really pretty finish. Guys, it actually worked and it actually looks pretty good. This is how my skin is looking like. Now I'm going to use the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, and they were matching shades to everyone, and I got the shade Caramel. I already know how the formula is. Pretty thick, but the finish is really, really nice. So I'm just going to put this under my eyes. I'm also going to prime my eyelids as well and blend it out. I am really liking how my skin is looking today. I think today is just a really good day. Now I'm going to set my face, but I didn't get a new powder, but I did get new brushes. I want to try them out. These are from Jessica Simpson, and they are so soft. I have a gold set and a silver set, but the brushes are pretty similar in the sets. I'm just going to use this flat kabuki one to set my face. And I'm using some of my Coty Airspun. Now that we took some of the dew away, my face is all set, and I'm going to do my brows really quick off camera, and then we're going to move on to... First, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Magnify Spice Edition. Hello. I already primed my eyes with the Becca concealer, but first I'm going to go in with this like peachy kind of shade as my transition color. Now I'm going to mix this chocolatey brown shade and this like more pinky rose kind of shade and put that in my crease. That's actually all I'm going to do for my lid, but the Rimmel London palette blends out so good, and the colors are really nice and warm and my type of colors. I'm actually going to do my lower lash line right now. I'm using the Flower Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is their Wanderlust palette, and I'm going to go in with the sparkly green shade. Usually I would put a matte shade on my lower lash line, but I really want to play with this green and see how it looks, so. Ooh, I really like it. Okay, so I thought there was going to be some fallout, but there's no fallout, and the color is pretty pigmented. A+ on this palette as well. I'm actually going to move on to eyeliner now. I know the eyeshadow is very simple, but I wanted to do some fun eyeliner. To start off, I'm just going to line my lid and do a wing with the Ardell Headliner Waterproof Liquid Liner, and this is in black. When I opened this, I really loved how thick the, what is this called? I forgot what this is called, but like the tip is. I think it's going to create a really nice wing, so I'm excited to use this. Okay, I'm not going to lie, I know they're not even, but it took a while for me to do these, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And plus, I'm going to put lashes on later, so that'll cover them. This is a really good eyeliner. It came in a pack of 10. I don't know if it's sold separately, but hopefully it is because I definitely recommend it. Like I said, I want to do some fun eyeliner, so I'm going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise eyeliner from L'Oreal. And this is like a rose gold. I just want to like line like that. So I'll zoom you guys in. I know, hello. Can you even see that? I don't even know if it's visible. It doesn't even show. That's gonna be it, I guess. You can kind of see it, like. Moving on to eyelashes. This is from Ardell. It's their lookbook, and there's 8 pairs of false lashes. There's 1 pair I already used, and I don't know where they are. It also comes with a little duo glue, which is really nice. Let's see, which one am I gonna use? I think I really want like more dramatic ones, so I think I'm gonna use 105. And it's these ones right here. I haven't put on lashes for a hot minute. Or actually, no, I did on my beauty con vlog. Yeah, let's just do them. Oh my god, it won't even open. Oh, I did it. Oh no, I lost the glue. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna put some glue on the back of my hand. Yeah. Whoa. They don't look bad. You can probably see them from a mile away. Honestly, I'm just gonna like put some brow gel to mix my normal lashes with the false lashes. I think I did it. Yay. They don't look bad. I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm using the CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast, and it looks like this. I actually have another mascara to use, but I really wanted this one because the wand looks really detailed, so I thought it would be perfect for my bottom lashes, and that's why I'm using this one. Whoa, I look like a doll. I feel like everything is working out really nicely, and I'm very happy. Look at my eyes. They're just like, pop. Time for highlighter. If you watched my haul, you would know I have 3 new highlighters. I actually had another one, but I thought 3 wasn't enough to do, so I'm going to be using these 3. 2 are from Becca, and then 1 is from MAC. First, I'm going to use Champagne Pop from Becca on my cheekbones right there. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. so pretty. Other side. Yes. Now I'm going to use Opal from Becca and put this on my nose as well as on top of my eyebrows. Ooh, that's really pretty too. Oh, also on my Cupid's bow. Oh yeah. Ugh. Dropped so many things. And lastly, I'm going to use Skin Frost by MAC and put this on my inner corners and then my brow bone. Brow bone. Brow bone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, it's like purple. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm freaking out. It's so pretty. Y'all, it's so, oh my god, this is probably like my favorite product now. I just have to do a close-up. Look at my inner corner. It's purple. I didn't know it was gonna be purple. I thought it was gonna be like white. Oh my god. Now I'm going to do my lips. First, I'm going in with the Kokie Cosmetics Kissable Liquid Lipstick in the color Nirvana. And then I'm gonna top it off with Lime Crime's Diamond Crusher in Acid Fairy. I'm going to top it off and put this like on the center of my lips mostly. That is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm just gonna tap it in. Alright guys, here's the finished look. It is very dramatic and big, but I really like it. Everything turned out really great, but yeah, we are not playing around now. Just kidding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you guys like full faces of first impressions and what videos you guys would like to see next. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye!